The existing Kala Academy complex is almost nearly 43-year-old structure and which was designed by the renowned architect Charles Correa. Speaker sir, structural repair of the strengthening of the open auditorium was not carried out. Speaker sir, 4 reports are obtained with PWD, RITS, IIT Mumbai and IIT Delhi, which was interim report, indicated that failure of the structure basically due to the corrosion of the structural steel ISMB and end girders near support, and also not being anchored or the embedded in RCC slab, causing the reduction of the load and the moment resting capacity of the structural members. Hence, the composite structures were under the corrosion attacks over 43 years, resulting in the sudden collapse of the structural steel members and RCC slab.
IIT Mumbai, ज्याने तुका report दिला, ते कोण आयिल्ले?
आयिल्ले.
कोण आयिल्ले?
The report ana sir, you can go through report.
तुका मेळिल्ले? ना ओके म्हणल्यार मेळिल्ले बी काय म्हणटा कोणाक?
स्पीकर सर, ते येवन हांगा पर्सनली पळोवन इन्स्पेक्शन करून गेल्या आणि त्या प्रमाणे त्यांच्यानी रिपोर्ट सबमिट केला. यू कॅन गो थ्रू रिपोर्ट.